All right, this is going to be the Google Fiber, become a trusted tester for Google Fiber. And this is not the first time I talked about joining a Google Tester project. I talked about the Google Gemini Trusted Tester programs a couple of months ago, where you can get paid to join an online community. And I even showed you that about a year ago because I have participated in that and I've gotten over $100 from them. But this is a little bit different from that. This is just the trusted tester for Google Fiber. So it says, thank you for your interest in becoming a trusted tester for Google Fiber. To participate in this program, you must have an active Google Fiber account. So if you don't have that, then you cannot participate in this. Your email name, physical address must be the same as those listed on your Google Fiber account. And click here to log into your Google Fiber account. It's going to log you in, and then it's going to ask you some general information like your first name, last name, organization, where you live at, your physical address, email address, mobile phone number, preferred method of contact, best time to contact you. Are you willing to provide feedback? And then your frequency in providing feedback. If selected, the number of people in your household, ages in your household, how would you rate your comfort zone of technology, and then are you currently using your internet connection? And then go ahead and agree to it, and then submit it, and then you'll be able to join their Google Fiber Trusted Tester. Now, if you don't have a Google Fiber Tester, then you're just not going to get selected. But other than that, have a great day.